Is it still? Is it gone? Yeah. Alright. So we're gonna do this one for like the Rat Pack and shit. Is it recording? Alright, for the real hip hop motherfuckers, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Shout out to Bobby, my engineer. It's a nice night in LA. We recording this mixtape and shit, working on the album at the same time, you know what I'm saying? Visionary, boy. Yeah, we gon' do it for 9-6. Yeah, we gon' do it for hip-hop. Yeah, second renaissance. Yeah, who would've thought that painting pictures about being broke would get me riches like Dylan Coke? Like Big Brother used to do so we could stay afloat. I heard them guns outside my window and gangsters would choke. Thought about the life I wanted, picked up the pen and then wrote. While they was firing, you could hear sirens for people dialing. I know one crying in the phone. I was in the zone trying to make a living. Headed to work in the morning, every day felt like I was mourning as my dream was deceased. Until I quit my job and my work ethic increased. Elevated to levels I ain't never seen. Stacking this cream, living the American dream now. I'm going crazy, I ain't slept in days. Dreaming of Michael Jordan money like I slept in J's. Always shouting out my team cause I get all the praise. But they the ones that motivate me on the pressing days. See, I'm from Maryland with cash, draw gas like animation. From the smallest altercation that can lead to termination. With a rapper on every corner like the rest of the nation. Passing bars back and forth like legal